Unmanned facilities monitoring with WISE-5801. Different kinds of businesses all use unmanned facilities to house essential infrastructure, such as data servers, hydraulic control systems, and autonomous factory processes. In this application, we will be looking at an automated system that monitors and maintains a data server room. WISE-5801 is a programmable automation controller, or PAC, that monitors, sensors, and controls instruments while staying alert for anything unusual. In this example, WISE-5801 monitors an I-7000 module that takes temperature readings from multiple sensors, a hygrometer to measure humidity, a power meter to report on energy consumption. WISE-5801 reports sensor readings to the control room and will send SMS alarms to personnel when temperature, humidity, or power consumption goes outside a normal range. If the temperature is too high, WISE activates the AC units and rotates to reduce wear on any one appliance. When coupled with SCADA software, WISE-5801 collects power consumption data for analysis, leading to lower costs and higher efficiency over time. The WISE-5801 series features a built-in web server for building if-then-else rules with an onboard rules engine. It supports I/O, counter, timer, schedule, email, and recipe operations, all with easy-to-use controls. This has been one simple example, but the WISE-5800 series supports input from up to 16 I-7000 data acquisition modules. These packs have seen applications in a number of industries. Its versatility, power, and easy use make WISE-5801 a perfect solution for industrial data acquisition and control. To learn more about the WISE-5800 series, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.